Some girl fi move and go. Some girl fi move and go. Want go at my cocky boss. Yes, they want to take people husband. Then get up every day and take people husband and go and like say them are the owner for the man. Them are the owner for the yard. Them are own for the cocky. Yes. So them a broke down cocky. Them a broke it down and them a broke them back. And them a broke pan cocky. Pan people husband. Them fi go on with the old crosses. Some of them pussy coming like old crosses. Because every man them pick up. All they get is bad luck. Then they have man for themselves. Then man turn on and left them. Because they can't keep a man. They don't know how to keep a man. Right? And think sucking John is the only way to keep a man. And they suck till their mouth start foam. Like when you put young ackee in a water for wash clothes. Them water foam frat like when you put young ackee in a water for wash clothes in a rainwater and it's sod up when you can't find soap to wash your clothes. And when they done they sit down and go and them a hot girl. I know them a cocky broker. How they want to take people husband and take people boyfriend. And some of them take until they take years in and them mama blood clot. Enough of them, yeah. So them a take people man and some of them yeah latest thing I go on now. The people ma breed up for the hairdresser them when the woman them come wash them hair and do them hair and all kind of sitting. We find out them husband, we find out them a breed of the husband, and the husband them a breed for. We come pick up the woman, come do her hair. All kind of cocky broker. Some of them call themselves cocky broker, them a cocky natter. Them a go up a man for not cocky to them. Yes, me love. Yes, them go not cocky to themselves, go up a man for tie up man, people husband and boyfriend pan them. Yes, them have cocky and cocky left them. And they say them a cocky boss. So them come take somebody else cocky. Ma, one piece of cocky wire my girl nowadays. But me tell you something. Some of them think they're cocky boss, but then just get fucking last. Because when the man done fuck them and grind them and get them to suck them dick, him still turn on and left them and stay the woman when he got. He say he can't be the headache and stress. He come up with some kind of excuse. And she's a 1 and 2 word and next thing he fire off and saying done. Because he want done for a long time. You see, you're not a cocky boss. He's a cocky get last. And cocky always get last in you. And cocky get last out of you when the cocky gone. So you can't take nobody man and fool nobody. Man fool or no. Man will come and tell us say woman pussy done. He will come and tell us say woman divorce. He will come and tell you any kind of shit. Because he want to get that pussy and he know you're easy. He know you're a troublemaker. And he know you're glad for you them kind of sin thing there. And you giggle and it's sweet you. You know you giggle and it's sweet. Well it's sweet him told me getting cocky suck. Who know a damn fool. Talk about who know a take people husband. To know a take people man. Who know a cocky boss. Who know a cocky last. Who know get last. Who know a last in a line when you come to cocky. Last. How know get it last. I don't want cuss woman and cuss wife and talk about how the woman ugly. I know the wife tan. I know the wife dirty and stink. Well, a femme tongue a go in her stink, you know. A femme tongue a go in her stink. And I the same tongue ya suck pan. I the same cocky a go in her stink as garden to you. And I the same cocky a come out ya suck pan the stink. So respect the woman for the stink where ya suck pan your mouth. Since you said the woman stink. Respect you want to say you're cocky boss, but no you always get enough girl get last, then jump in a man car, then head get big. When you realize from the shout, then I have nothing. Hello, good afternoon. Hey Marsha, what's up? Me never get it because me have so much inbox, but me have. No, me not gonna go on front of call me. No, me not go up on front there all the while, so you know, me not go on front there today. Call if you want pick up, me just make deliverance for some days. Hmm? Alright then. Alright. Yeah, so some of them tell my cocky boss. Sorry about that, my girl. Sorry about that. Sorry. Anyway, somebody I call for something. Yeah, man. So they said my cocky boss, but then get lost. I said then go on a back and a post and me get this from him and me get that from him and him give me this and him give me that. You know talk what else you give him? Where you give him? Where you give him? Miss cocky boss. And when one man turn on and left and they must know a ball. You know call me, you know me I wait for the phone how long not a call me not get. I want today right man in my move so because I don't want no more in Clyde. In Clyde cocky boss in get enough. And he don't want bother with you. You know no money for spend give you. All the promise them when you go buy the new weave and the new boot, nothing you not go get. Cocky boss, you just get fucking lost.